Immunology is the study of the immune system, our body's defense against pathogens. It involves understanding the immune system's structure, including organs like the thymus and spleen, and its two main branches, innate and adaptive immunity. These components work together to identify and neutralize harmful invaders, maintaining our health. Immunology is the study of the body's defense against infectious agents and harmful substances. It involves understanding immune development, cell functions, disorders, and therapeutic applications. The immune system is structured into two main branches: innate immunity, providing immediate defense, and adaptive immunity, offering targeted responses. These branches collaborate to maintain health and prevent disease. Immunology is the scientific study of the body's defense mechanisms against infectious agents and harmful substances. It explores immune development, cell functions, disorders, and therapeutic applications like vaccines. Immunity is the body's ability to recognize and eliminate threats, crucial for disease prevention and modern medical advancements. The immune system is a complex network with primary components like bone marrow, which produces immune cells, and the thymus, where T cells mature. The spleen filters blood, while lymph nodes filter lymph. Lymphatic vessels transport immune cells, and mucosal-associated lymphoid tissue protects entry points. This system distinguishes self from non-self, targeting threats while preserving healthy tissues. Innate immunity acts as the body's first line of defense, utilizing physical barriers like skin and mucous membranes to block pathogens. Cellular defenders such as neutrophils and macrophages engulf invaders, while biochemical factors like complement proteins and cytokines kill pathogens. This immediate, non-specific response targets common microbial patterns, ensuring rapid protection without prior exposure. Adaptive immunity offers precision and memory. B cells produce antibodies targeting specific antigens, tagging pathogens for destruction and preventing cell attachment. T cells, including helper and cytotoxic types, coordinate responses and kill infected cells by recognizing antigens on cell surfaces. This system is highly specific, developing over days, and remembers past infections for faster future responses. Immune cells identify threats through antigen recognition, distinguishing them from healthy tissues. This involves recognizing unique molecular markers on pathogens. The major histocompatibility complex, MHC, plays a crucial role, presenting peptide fragments to T cells. Central tolerance ensures immune cells that react to self-antigens are eliminated, preventing autoimmune diseases. This balance between aggression and restraint is vital for immune regulation. Immune cells recognize antigens, unique molecular markers on cells and pathogens, triggering responses. Major histocompatibility. Complex MHC proteins present peptide fragments to T cells, class Y to CD8+, and class II to CD4+. Central tolerance eliminates self-reactive immune cells in the thymus and bone marrow. Failure in this process can lead to autoimmune diseases. The immune system balances attack and restraint to prevent infections and avoid tissue damage. Regulatory T cells suppress excessive activation, while cytokines modulate responses. Apoptosis eliminates activated cells post-threat, and checkpoint molecules act as brakes. Dysregulation can cause chronic inflammation, allergies, or autoimmune disorders. Naive B and T cells first encounter an antigen, activating and proliferating over 7 to 10 days. Some become long-lived memory cells, persisting for years. Upon re-exposure, these memory cells trigger a rapid, robust response, often preventing symptoms. Vaccines exploit this by training the immune system with harmless pathogen versions, ensuring swift future responses.
Immune system dysregulation can lead to significant health issues. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body, while immunodeficiencies result from inadequate immune responses. advances in immunology are revolutionizing treatments, offering new therapies that target specific immune pathways, improving patient outcomes, and transforming clinical care. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body. Rheumatoid arthritis targets joint linings, causing inflammation and joint damage. Multiple sclerosis involves immune attacks on nerve cell myelin, disrupting neural signals. Systemic lupus erythematosus causes widespread organ inflammation. Affecting 5 to 8% globally, these conditions often require immunosuppressive treatments, which can elevate infection risks. Immunodeficiencies weaken the immune system, making individuals vulnerable to infections. Primary immunodeficiencies, like severe combined immunodeficiency and X-linked agammaglobulinemia, are genetic and present from birth. Secondary immunodeficiencies, such as human immunodeficiency, virus, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and those caused by malnutrition or medications, are acquired. Management includes immunoglobulin replacement, stem cell transplantation, or gene therapy to bolster immune defenses. Immune checkpoint inhibitors like PD-1 and CTLA-4 blockers remove immune brakes, enabling T cells to target cancer cells, revolutionizing treatments for melanoma and lung cancer. CAR T-cell therapy involves engineering T cells to recognize and destroy cancer, showing success in leukemias. Messenger RNA vaccines, accelerated by COVID-19, instruct cells to produce pathogen proteins, sparking immune responses. Personalized immunotherapy customizes treatments based on individual immune profiles, enhancing efficacy. Microbiome manipulation leverages gut bacteria to modulate immunity. Artificial intelligence aids in predicting immune responses and optimizing treatments. Universal vaccines aim for broader protection against pathogen families. Despite advances, challenges like understanding autoimmune mechanisms and emerging infectious diseases persist, requiring rapid immune analysis.